Welcome to the Flip versus Buy and Hold Deal Analyzer, one of the foundational tools in your investment toolkit. This calculator is designed to help you quickly assess whether a project is financially viable or if you should walk away. Let's look at the Flip Analysis tab first. Think of this as your short-form feasibility calculator. Begin with your After-Renovation Value, ARV, followed by total purchase costs, renovation estimates, and your projected holding period. Enter your exit costs, followed by your capital structure. The tool dynamically tracks your funding requirements as you detail your debt, whether that's bank financing, private money partners, or your own personal equity. Set your target profit margin, and the calculator instantly determines if the deal is a go or a no-go. It even includes an ARV and maximum allowable offer fluctuation simulation to stress test your projections. At the bottom, you'll find a comprehensive summary, including your project return on investment, return on personal equity, and the overall returns. Now let's take a look at the Hold Strategy tab. This tab automatically pulls data from your Flip analysis to streamline your workflow. Start by setting your loan-to-value (LTV) ratio, currently defaulted at 80%, and input your refinancing interest rate and associated costs. Populate your estimated post-renovation monthly rental income, property management fees, local vacancy rates, and ongoing holding expenses. On the right-hand side, the tool calculates your passive income and exactly how much capital you've successfully recycled back into your pocket. We measure success based on the percentage of capital recycled. If you successfully recycle 70% or more of your initial investment, the tool classifies it as a perfect hold. Finally, both the Flip Analysis and the Hold Analysis tabs provide you with the option to save your work. These analyses then appear on the History tab, where you can revisit them, make amendments, and save changes as your project evolves. Both tabs also include the option to print your analysis or save it directly as a PDF for your records. Ultimately, FlipSync IQ is about efficiency. By streamlining your workflow, you can now analyze 6 times as many deals in the same time it takes to manually analyze just one. No more spending hours on spreadsheets and start focusing on closing more deals. Thanks for watching and happy flipping.